Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the Ben Show of channel. Today we're going to talk about goji berries and the benefits and how I eat them and what do I drink them with. The goji berries, they come dry because it's very hard to find them in a vine because they grow in Asia and China. So I get them dry in a Chinese market, organic, natural organic. And the way they come, I'm going to show you dry. Like this. Just like raisins. It's hard to show, you see? Dry. And what I do is I put them in green tea or any tea. I'm going to show you in green tea. It's good to have this every other week, or you can make a smoothie. When I do my protein shakes, I soak them in a tea a little bit for like 30 seconds when they become soft, and then I throw them in a smoothie, because when they are in a tea, they're soft. They're not dry, and also they become less sweet. So instead of putting sugar in my tea or sweetener, I put the berries. I put the goji berries in them. And, the goji berries has a lot of benefits, I'm going to show you. The goji berry has vitamin A, zeaxanthin, iron, vitamin C, and many, many more health benefits in it. It has a lot of antioxidant, zeaxanthin for eyesight. Other antioxidants for health promoting micronutrients. This is used a lot in traditional medicine to support the kidney, liver function. High amount of vitamin A and C. Great immune system booster. What else? I'm trying to remember. Overall, it has a lot of also women's benefit for women. Menstrual cycle it's good for. If you ask a lot of Chinese people, they tell you that a lot of their women take this more than men. And it's very hard to find the one that grows in a vine, the fresh one. You might find it in California. They like to be in in the mountains. They also call these fox berries. Okay, they have different names for them. What else? I'm trying to remember. And this particular brand is made in China. In the Chinese market, they also sell them per pound. This particular bag was $9.99 for 8 ounces. So per the pound, it's probably more money. But it has a lot of good benefits for detox and negatives. Heavy metal. If you think about heavy metal, this will flush it out. Okay, what else? It's good for high eyesight, good for liver, high amounts of vitamin C in it. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to show you what I do. I take tea. See, this is green tea, and then I put the berries inside. I'm going to show you. See, they're inside. And then when I drink it, I sip it. And it's very soft. And they're very tasty. Cheers. Green tea is very healthy for you also. So here, 2 health benefits: green tea and goji berries. I'm giving you 2 things at once, which nobody ever does. Green tea is very healthy for you. You should have a lot of green tea, at least 3 to 4 times a week. A lot of Chinese people, they have green tea twice a day after a meal. Some of them wake up in the morning, all they have is green tea. And they wait a couple more hours, then they have more green tea. And more green tea. All day they drink green tea. And a few Chinese friends, they told me, while they have the green tea, they throw the goji berries in it. And it helps them. It helps the vision. You know, your vision improves. It protects the eyes. It makes, you know, there's certain vitamins and nutrients in this to protect the eye, to protect the skin, to make the skin soft, to make the skin look younger. Everything that you need is in here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment below. Comment below. You should try this. It's better to do preventive. A preventive is that you preventing a disease from happening. You go on the extra mile. Now, by the way, this product is not intended to prevent any diseases. This is a natural berry, dry berry. This is, I'm not telling you this can prevent any diseases. It's just, I'm giving my opinion, you know, what I feel about these berries, how good they are, how tasty they are. If you feel any positive results, any positive reaction when you feel different, your health, your vision, your hair, the hair also grows better when you take this. I forgot to mention your hair, your skin. This has a lot of good things for the skin, the nails. If I'm forgetting something, I'll make another video. Until next time, in my next video, thanks for watching. Come back. Bye-bye.